Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita and today is day number 19 of our 30 days of yoga series for 2021. And today is Twisty Tuesday. So we are going to be working on some twists, but today we're going to try to use blocks to help deepen our twist. So of course you'll need your yoga blocks. If you don't have blocks, you can always opt to have books, small boxes, something that you can put under your hand to press down on that has a little bit of weight to it. So if you want to grab those things, we will go ahead and get started. So we're going to start standing, and we'll just start with 3 breaths in Tadasana. So if you want to lift the toes, keeping in mind that the ball of the foot and the heel are grounded down, and then lift the arch and replace the toes back down. Lift the shoulders up towards your ears and then down and back. As you stand tall, chest is open. Mountain pose, Tadasana. And then take a deep breath in through the nose. Open the mouth and exhale. Again, inhale. And exhale. One last time, inhale. And exhale. And then we're just going to bring our feet out wide, coming into a wide stance. And you can have the toes facing forward, feet are planted firmly on the mat. And then inhale as you reach the arms out and up. You're just going to come into some side bends. So reach the arms out, exhale as you bring that right hand down and left arm over, coming into a side bend. Inhale as we come back with the arms out to your side, standing up. Exhale, opposite arm down, and top arm reaches over. We'll do that 2 more times. Inhale, standing tall, arms out to your side, and then exhale as we come back to the opposite side. Inhale, standing tall, arms out to your side. Exhale, coming over to the opposite side. Last round, inhale, standing tall, arms out. Exhale, side bend. And then inhale, standing up, arms out to your side. Exhale, side bend to the opposite side. Inhale, arms out to your side. Exhale, bring the arms down. And then we're just going to come into a wide forward fold. You can grab your block and just place it in front of you. You might need it. So let's inhale, reaching the arms forward and up. On the exhale, you're going to bend at the hips and reach the arms forward and down as we come to a wide forward fold. And it's your choice if you want to bring the feet out a little wider, keeping a micro bend in the knees. You'll start to feel that in the back sides of the legs, the calves and hamstrings. Inhale as you lift the head, lift the chest. Exhale as you bring the head down towards the mat. And then lifting the head and the chest, you're going to bring your block to or in line with your chest, right in the middle. And the block is just to help to bring the ground up to you if you have short arms like I do. And then bring your right hand to the middle of the block. Inhale. Exhale as you lift that right arm up, or your left arm, my right, your left. And then replace that hand down. We're switching, bringing the left hand to the middle of the block. Inhale. Exhale, lifting the right arm up. Bringing the hands down. Putting the block in front of you off to the side for now. And then we're gonna turn your left, or my left, your right, to the front of the mat. Start to walk the hands to the front of your mat. Bring the back foot in, and then bend the knee and reach the arms up, counting into a warrior one. Relax the shoulders here. Sending your weight to the outside of the back foot. And then we're opening to warrior two. So that back foot is in line with the short edge of the mat, stacking your shoulders over your hips. Front knee is still bent, arms are out to your side. And then we're coming to a reverse warrior. So flip the front palm and then reach it back as the back arm rests on the back leg. Then coming back to warrior two, we're going to sweep the back arm up, bring the back foot in, back to warrior one. And then we're going to switch. So this time you're going to bring that left arm down to the opposite thigh and reach the right arm back. So a little twist. And then inhale, coming back to your warrior one. Exhale as we come back to our wide stance or wide forward fold. Inhale, lift the head, lift the chest. Exhale, head comes down. Inhale, reaching the arms up as we stand. Exhale, arms down by your side. I'm just going to heel toe my feet in a little to shorten my stance. Still in a wide stance here. And we're going to do that all on the other side as well. So standing tall, we're going to start with our side bends again. Inhale as you bring the arms out and up. And exhale, side bending over to the left. Inhale, standing up, arms out to your side. Exhale, side bending to your right. Inhale, standing up, arms out to your side. Side bending to the left. Exhale. Inhale, arms out to your side. Exhale, side bend to your right. We got one more round. Inhale, arms up or arms out. Exhale, side bend. Inhale. Exhale, side bend. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Just gonna bring my feet out a little wider. We're coming back to our wide forward fold. Inhale, reaching the arms forward and up. Exhale as we come down, arms come forward and down. Inhale, lift the chest, lift the head. Lengthen the spine. Exhale, head comes down. Folding over. Lift the head and the chest, bring that block back in front of you. This time we'll start with the opposite arm than we did the first time. So bringing the left hand in the middle of the block. Inhale here. And then exhale as you lift the right arm up. And then coming back down, we're switching. This time right hand comes to the middle of the block. Inhale. Exhale, lift the left hand up this time. And coming down, putting the block off to the side this time, turning the opposite foot out towards the back of the mat. I'm gonna bring the back foot in, bend the front knee, and reach the arms up. You might want to shorten your stance depending on how you were in your wide forward fold. Reaching the arms up, warrior one. And then we're opening to warrior two. So bringing the arms out to the side as your torso faces to your right. Think about stacking your shoulders over your hips, arms out to your side, front knee still bent. Warrior two. Inhale, flip the front palm. Exhale as you reach the arm back. Top arm comes back, front knee is still bent. Back arm rests on that thigh. Reverse warrior. And then coming back to a warrior one. So bringing the back foot in as we turn and face the back of the mat. And then we're going to twist this reverse warrior out. So you're going to take your left hand, bring it to the back of the right thigh, and reach the right arm up. Breathe. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, coming back to our wide forward fold. Inhale, lift the head, lift the chest. Exhale, head comes down. Inhale, arms come forward and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Bringing the feet in. Staying in our wide stance. Inhale as your arms come out to the side. This time we're just gonna do regular twist. So you're gonna exhale, keeping the arms out as you turn to your left. You wanna twist all the way up the spine. Bring your gaze over your left shoulder. And then inhale, coming back to center. On the exhale, twisting to your right. Again, twisting all the way up the spine, bringing the gaze over your right shoulder. Inhale, back to center, back to the front. Exhale, arms down. And just bring your feet back together. We're coming back to our mountain pose. Ball the heeler down, lift your toes. Lift the arch slightly if you have to, and then replace the toes down. Lift the shoulders up towards your ears, down and back, mountain pose. We'll inhale with 3 deep breaths. Let's inhale. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Last time, inhale and exhale. Thank you for joining me today for Twisty Tuesdays, and I hope that you will. Thank you for joining me for Twisty Tuesday, and I hope to see you tomorrow for day number 20 of our 30 days of yoga journey.